Good morning. It is about 6:30 here in Hobbs. 6:30 in the morning. The sun comes up early here. Of course, it's 7:30 at home. And drinking some coffee and watching the sun rise. The pink in the clouds. This is Zia RVilla RV Park in Hobbs, New Mexico. Most of these people here, well, I won't say most of them, a lot of them here are full-timers or long-distance stayers. Is that what you call them? We're in 54. Some horse trailers. Not very many trees. I think most of the people that are staying here are working in the oil field. I was told yesterday that we only have this spot because they must have gone to the horse races yesterday and are staying there. There's the truck camper. Let's see. Before I left, I replaced the propane hoses. See if I can show this. So I replaced my propane hoses. They were really stiff and they were leaking right in here. So on both tanks. And I thought I could smell gas and I really couldn't figure out where the leak was. And I could hold my hand over it like that and I could kind of hear it. So I replaced these. And they were kind of brittle. They wasn't pliable, wouldn't move, so I'm sure they were really old. But I had to have this little adapter here. It's a 1/4 inch to flare. These are a flare connection. So I posted that on the Facebook page this morning so you can see what you need to purchase to go to this connection here. But a couple of other upgrades to the truck camper. Wanted to show y'all that and show you the beautiful sunrise this morning. Got new tires for my truck. I worked a deal with the guy that bought my travel trailer, and he had bought a brand new GMC truck, these 17-inch tires, and he wanted 22-inch or 20-inch tires on his truck. So before he even took it off the lot, he had his tires replaced, and he had these in his garage. So we worked a deal for just trading tires and some of the cost of the travel trailer. And so last weekend I got these put on, and so that was a good deal. Got new tires and just so worked out for both of us. This is where we stayed last night. It is Zia RVilla RV Resort and Rally Park. And there's the office.